So my kids brought this in. And I looked it up, and apparently it's a hedgehog mushroom. So it's what it looks like. It's got a woody stem. These spores. It's kind of flexible. It doesn't really tear easily. And it's more tough. And it kind of has teeth, if you can see that. Hold on. Camera focus. Yeah, there we go. It kind of has teeth rather than gills or spores. And there's the top of it. So they are edible. Certain types are edible. Apparently there is another type, but the reason of why it's not eaten is because it's bitter and tough. Didn't really say that it was poisonous or hallucinogenic. So, yeah, it's a pretty cool find.